Hi, my name is Toshio and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I'm going to dye my hair the metallic silver color. It has almost gone like a month since I bleached my hair, and back then my hair was really damaged. And now I've actually managed to repair it. Last time my hair was really frizzy and damaged at the tips, and now they feel and look so much better. I used this shampoo to repair my hair, and I'm actually surprised that this worked because I've tried a lot of shampoos or conditioners and none of them worked, but this one did. And it says Salon Silk for dry, frizzy-prone hair. Shampoo, professional quality. So I definitely recommend this if you have frizzy and damaged hair in general. So now when my hair is repaired again, I'm going to dye it and probably ruin it. So let's just get right into it. You've seen this before. Okay, I'm back in my bathroom with my white shirt and I'm ready to dye my hair. I'm gonna go all over the hair, so I'm just gonna squirt it in my hand. Oh, it smells really good. And also, look at my roots. Ooh. Okay, now it smells really bad. So, now I'm gonna let my hair set for 30 minutes, and this time I'm not gonna use any plastic. As you can see, it's already looking pretty silverish. Okay, first of all, ew. I realized that I should probably not wear white. Anyways, now it has gone 30 minutes. I'm gonna go downstairs and wash my hair, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. So, I'm back, and this is the final result. And to be honest, I don't really know what to think. I mean, I think I like it. Some part didn't really get covered by the hair dye, and other parts did, like this. This is really silver. I mean, looks kinda good. It also messed up my tips a little bit. I can start to feel the frizziness again. It isn't really as I thought it would be. I mean, on the camera it looks good, but when I look in the mirror it looks kind of weird. I think you have to have a little bit brighter hair than I had. I had like this and it kind of turned out this color. So yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here. If you enjoyed it and want to see something like this in the future, like and share this video with your friends and family, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.
So why you gotta be so talkative?